ever video I'm going to be making. And guys, before I get started until I tell you what video I'm going to make, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is our first video. Guys, before we tell you what video we're going to do today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below if you guys did it. Okay, guys, so right now, we have our mask. My sister's holding it because of COVID-19 right now. We have to be safe, but we just want to go out a little bit and have some fun because we've been home a lot, and we just want to go outside a bit. So yeah. So guys, look at this. This is water and stuff. If you guys are wondering where we are at right now, we are at Imperial Beach. Guys, it's so much fun. And we went to beaches before, but we haven't gone out that much because we wanted to stay safe and stay inside since this COVID-19 is happening. Guys, so stay safe, wear your mask, use hand sanitizer if you're going to the store and you're touching things. Use hand sanitizer and be safe, guys. So this is a hard time.